Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the another animal fiber, that is silk. And this silk is the strongest natural fiber, which is also very fine, strong, soft and shiny. This silk is produced by silkworm, and the rearing of silkworm to obtain silk is known as sericulture. Now before going to the topic that how silk is produced, we need to understand the life history of silk moth, which is very interesting. So the life stage or the history for the silk moth starts in this way, that the female silk moth lays egg on leaves of mulberry tree, and when the eggs hatch, then larva or the caterpillar comes out of it. The next stage it reaches, which is called as pupa, and the last is silk moth. So we'll discuss here in detail form this life stage of silk moth. So after the eggs hatch and the larva or the caterpillar when it comes out, which is also the silkworms feed on mulberry tree and grow. And when they are ready to enter in the next stage, that is the pupa, they start weaving net. During this process, they secrete silk in liquid form, and that liquid it solidifies in air and becomes silk fiber or silk thread. Next, the silkworms they cover themselves whole by the silk fibers, which is important to be understood here, that it is secreted in liquid form only, and it solidifies in air and becomes silk fiber. So silkworms cover themselves whole by silk fiber, which is the cocoon. So we can simply say that the silky covering spun by the silkworm or caterpillar of silk moth is called cocoon. Now, next, the silkworm develops pupa inside cocoon only. And when pupa develops fully, then cocoon splits and a beautiful silk moth comes out of it. So this was all about the life history of silk moth. In the next video, we'll be studying about the production of silk.